Today's video will briefly discuss our 8 ohm wiring kit that is now included with all RetroSound dash replacement speakers. We recently started including these small wiring kits with our in-dash speakers to allow customers the ability to utilize their stock radio decks as a power source. Unfortunately, the vast majority of these decks were only capable of powering units that were rated at between 8 and 10 ohms, whereas most of today's high-end replacement speakers operate on 4 ohms. To make this possible, we've included in your purchase a small wiring kit consisting of 2 parts that allow you to bridge the left and right channels on a dual voice coil speaker, making an 8 ohm connection which you can then use to directly connect to the OE radio. For maximum speaker performance, we recommend upgrading your radio to a retro radio. However, this complementary kit will help you to make the most of your stock internals.